With so many people working remotely, virtual video meetings have become a part of our normal workday. The chairs of marketing group committees share their tips to help contribute effectively and maximize results during a virtual meeting. Recognize each member as they enter the Zoom call. Make them feel welcomed. Real Chair, Barbara Benato. Play a little music at the beginning and end to set a good tone and go out with a smile. AIM Chair, Rick Weber. Make sure your hair is not too crazy looking. Have a plan for how to let folks speak. Ask them to write their names in the chat field and call on them one by one. It helps tremendously with folks talking over one another and allows for a more efficient participant experience. TCMC Chair, June Burkhart. Make it fun. Meetings don't have to be perfect. It is okay to make mistakes. We are all learning, and participants know that we aren't experts on video conferencing. Work with your committee. VRAN Chair, Viviana Sherman. Smile and have a great time. CCMG Chair, Paul Wong. Don't forget to log into the meeting in a quiet, distraction-free environment. Make sure you have a high internet connection in that area. Test your equipment before the meeting begins to ensure you have no technology issues. To attend a weekly virtual marketing meeting, visit their webpage for registration information. Hope to see you at a virtual meeting soon. Thanks for watching.